Hey everyone, welcome back to the Ledsnbaggs page. Alright, so once again I want to say thanks for watching. Appreciate everybody. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button somewhere on the screen or down below. Alright, today's video, what we're going to do, we're installing, it's part 2. So we're installing the Dominator Fender, the color match, factory color match Dominator Fender. We have a Reef Blue, 2022 Reef Blue, a Roadglide here. I think it has about 749 miles on this bike. Alright. So as you see in the other video, we did the stretch bag. So now we're doing the rear Dominator fender to go with the bags. Alright, so I'm going to bring the camera in. Got most of the bolts loose. But let's cut all that. Let's get to the action, y'all. Alright, we're still going to move the camera around here a little bit. So basically what we got, what you want to do is remove your current fender. Okay, so it's going to be a bolt in here, a bolt in here, and some bolt under there for the support bracket, the rear fender support bracket. Then you have the wiring of the fender. You want to do the same for both sides. I may go ahead and move this so that we don't have to worry about anything, but you want to be careful when you pull that fender out. Alright, make sure you don't scratch anything. If you have to, throw a little painter's tape on it. But what we're going to do is going to get this fender out. There's videos out there on how to actually remove it step by step. Alright, so we're going to get this fender off so we can slap this Dominator fender on here and get this bike on out of here. Alright. Alright guys, we got that rear fender off. Alright, so what I had to do is remove the mounting bracket. I mean the 4-point docking, I'm sorry, the 4-point docking. I didn't want to scratch the fender up, man. This is a brand new bike, so you want to make sure I got that fender out of there nice and clean. So I took a lot more off that needed to be taken off in order to get that fender out of there nice and clean. But you can definitely got to move the bracket, the 4-point docking to get the fender out. But you can move this whole subframe right here to get it out as well. And you slide it out. I removed the bolts that are the hardware on the side of the fender. I took those off, just took my time and did it. Like I said, brand new bike. So you want to make sure you got a clean uninstall and a clean reinstall. Alright, so I'm going to get this the Dominator mocked up. I'm going to get the hardware transferred over to the Dominator fender, and we're going to get this on here and get this thing buttoned up. Alright everyone, I want to take a minute to thank you for watching. Alright. When you get a chance, hit the subscribe button. It should be in your lower left or right hand corner of the screen. Alright. Also, check me out on the social media platforms and check me out at Ledsnbaggs.com. Once again, we appreciate you watching. Alright. So I'm in the process of building the channel. So gonna try my hardest to keep these videos coming. Appreciate your support. When I see subscribers and everything go up, it gives more motivation for me to bring more and better content. Like I said, appreciate you. And we'll be chatting soon. Let's get back to the action. Alright, the fender's ready to mount. Run your wires through there, just like that. Set your fender carefully.